Welcome back to Always Learning. What are we doing today? Well, today we're learning about fishing, and particularly we're learning about the Carolina rig or the Texas rig. I'm going to do two videos. I'll put them separate just in case you're looking for the Carolina rig, you can find it. If you're looking for the Texas rig, you can find it. But those are probably what most people fish 90% of the time when they're fishing for smallmouth or largemouth bass. A little bit different technique, or I should say a little bit different circumstances or situation is going to determine which one you're going to want to fish, but they're both fairly similar. There's just a little bit of different nuances between the Carolina and the Texas rig. The worm part is exactly the same. Okay, so the three things you're going to need for the Texas rig is a slip sinker. You can use as a cone, that probably works the best. They also make ones that are round, but I prefer the cone in this one. A worm hook, as you can see, is shaped different. Mostly here at the end, it's got that little extra kind of snake head coming out. And then a worm, or you can also fish this with the crawdad or any kind of really soft-bodied animal or terrestrial. So you can see the line here. All you're going to do is I'm going to take the slip shot and I'm going to simply slide this through the bullet. Okay? That's done, and then you can tie it whatever fisherman's knot, improved clinch, whatever you want to do. I like the Orvis knot, but I'm gonna, for this purposes, I'm just gonna tie the improved clinch if I can see. Spin it 6 times, put it through, right back your little hole you made right here by the eye. Okay, and then normally you wet it so that knot will slip. But anyway, slides down and then you cut that tab off. Okay, then the worm part, what you want to do is you want to find the flat part of the worm because that's the part that you want to go down. It's going to set like this on here when it's all said and done. And so all you do is you start at the head. This one's kind of chewed up a little bit. And you're going to go through about an inch. You're going to go about an inch onto that hook, and then that hook's going to come back through. Okay? Then you slide that little feller all the way to the top. You get your slide a little bit past. So now that you got the worm on there, you're going to kind of look and say, okay, where's that thing going to kind of set in there? And where's it going to kind of set in there and come back in and just kind of snug it so it comes over the top. See how it's setting over the top now? But then to make it weedless, all you do is pull that back and shove it in there so the fish doesn't see the hook and it doesn't get caught on anything. It should be a little straighter than that. But that's basically the Texas rig. Get it, like I said, just a little bit straighter where it sets flat on there. So it sets like that. Anyway, there's your Texas rig with the worm, a hook, and the slip shot. It slides down. As you reel, the worm chases it to the bottom. You lift it up, slip shot falls down, worm chases it to the bottom. It's great for spot fishing. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you want to see the Carolina rig, it'll be loaded after this. Thanks for watching. Thank you.